Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11, 10 bad system config info BSOD error fix. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. First method is click System Restore. Select if any restore points available. Second method is, click Uninstall Updates. First uninstall latest quality update, if same error still exists uninstall feature update. Third method is click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type /boottrack /fix mbr. Type /boottrack /fix boot. Type bootsex /nt60 sys. Type /boottrack /fix boot. Type BCD edit /export /c:// BCD backup. Type attrib /c:/boot /bcd -h -r -s. Type ren c:/boot /bcd bcd.old. Type /boottrack /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot Windows installed dirv /Windows /s boot drive /f all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.